The semi-automatic winding machine is mainly used for winding in the edge bending extrusion process. It is suitable for edge bending with a thickness of 0.4 mm to 3 mm and the width of 7 mm to 85 mm. The winding inner diameter is 150 mm to 320 mm, and the winding outer diameter is 150 mm to 800 mm. The size and appearance color can be freely customized according to customer requirements. The semi-automatic winding machine adopts domestic first-line brand electrical control components, featuring low energy consumption, long service life, stable performance, compact appearance design, simple structure, easy operation, low noise, and easy maintenance. Launched for many years and well tested in the market, its stable performance and reliable quality are outstanding among similar products, deeply trusted by customers.